it's Joe, and I'm going to be showing you how to create an citation on your project. So what you want to do is you want to open Noodle Tools. You want to go to your project. In this case, mine is Homework Effective. So you click on it. Then what you would do is you would go to Sources. You'd press Create New Citation, and it would most likely be a database. Since we're doing the Explora secondary thing for school, and then it would most likely be a article, or in this case you would click Journal. Then you'd put the name of the database, which is probably going to be a Middle Search Plus. And then when you go to find your article, you would copy the citation from the permalink, and you would insert it here. You would put today as your current access, and then you would put, that could stay author, and then you would put their first and last name. You would put the article title right here, and the name of the journal, if there is one, it would say it in the top right, about middle right. And then you could put that there. If there was issues or volumes, you could put that there, but it's usually blank. And then you would put the publication date, and then once you're done, you would press save. And yeah.